Hello, Contesaras. My name is Primo Sacramento, and welcome to Missed Information, the trivia pageant contest, where beauty meets brains. Two contestants will compete across three exciting rounds. The one with the most points will be crowned Miss Information of the Week with a chance to advance to the semifinals. But before I introduce this week's contestants, please like, share, and subscribe to Contesera Pageantry because we live for this. Without further ado, let's meet our contestants. Starting off with contestant number 1.
Hello, Cruellas! Mabuhay! This is Gazel Ortega from Aklan at naniniwala ako sa kasabihang pag talo ka, lalo na't maganda ang kalaban mo, talo ka talaga pero didistract ko siya sa ganito. Pacho! Charot lang! Hello, everyone!
Let's meet our next contestant.
Hello everyone, my name is RJ Ignacio representing Pasig City. Naniniwala sa kasabihan, kahit maganda ka, kahit matalino ka, kahit mayaman ka, kahit mapagmahal ka, malandi siya, talo ka. And I thank you.
Sakit ha!
Oh my God. Again, our first contestant is the host of Cruella in Pageantry, the one and only Gazel Ortega. Kamusta ka, Gazel?
Yes, I'm so okay. Tinatry kong ma-distract yung kalaban ko dahil first time kong gagawin yung sarili ko na.
Nagkalbo ka?
Diba, diba? Ako ngayon ang brilyante ng tubig, apoy, earth, at saka hangin. Ako ang avatar. Charot, hindi po ako ang si Encantadia. Nakakaloka. Hello everyone. Nakakaloka naman siya, diba? Avatar ako for today's video.
And our next contestant is, of course, the host of RJ Ignacio Beauty Pageant Updates. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome RJ Ignacio. Kamusta, RJ?
Hello everyone, hello Sir Primo, hello Gazel. Ayan, I would like to congratulate Gazel agad. Kasi this is not my forte. I hope, makasagot tayo ng maayos. At pasensya na sa ating mga subscribers dyan kung malalampaso ang inyong lingkod. Enjoy na po natin to. Enjoy lang natin.
Alright, before we start the game, let me explain how Miss Information, the trivia pageant contest works. So we have three exciting rounds lined up for our contestants. First round is true or false. Our round 2 is who said it. And then the final round is called Trivia Mix. The contestant with the most points wins. So ito, ang tanong ko sa inyo before we start our round 1. Why should you be the first Miss Information 2025?
I should be the Miss Information 2025 kasi kailangan ko to. Ha? Charot lang. Charot lang. Hindi. Kailangan kong manalo para may patunayan naman ako kahit papaano naman para malaman ng madlang people na may alam naman talaga ako sa pageantry. Hindi yung naganda-ganda hala ako dito. Ganon. So, ayun lang. Pero pag matalo ako, alam nyo na. Bigyan niyo ako ng chance. Charot lang.
Ito ang totoong bardagulan talaga. So RJ, why should you be the first Misinformation?
Actually, this is very new to me. So, very excited talaga ako. So, if ever manalo ako, magiging masaya talaga ako. Ayun. Gusto ko lang talaga manalo. I know hindi ako ready, ganun 100%. Pero, napanood ko kanina yung laban ni Kuragan Karag. May wild card. So, just in case hindi ako manalo. Ngayon, meron pa akong chance.
Correct.
Nire-ready ko na yung sarili ko.
Yung hindi mananalo this week ay babalik sa wild card.
Wild card.
Yan na. So let's begin
Ayun.
our first round. True or false? 6 questions total. If you know the answer, simply say your name, and then Zoom will recognize the first voice, giving you 3 seconds to respond. No answer stealing is allowed in this round. So, let's begin. So, kailangan hintayin nyo yung go, okay? Question number 1. True or
Nakabahan
false? Miss Universe Britain 1999, Nikki Lane, had to give up the crown to her first runner-up, Cherry Pishani. Go.
RJ.
3 seconds.
False.
I'm sorry, you were misinformed. The correct answer is true.
Aliaga.
Ba yan?
Nikki Lane confessed that she had a child at age 14. Kaya ang
Ang hirap nga.
nakakuha ng crown ay si Sherry Pishani. Alright, so this is question number 2. True or false? Miss Philippines was the second runner-up in Miss Universe 1999. Go!
Jason.
RJ, you have Gaisel, you have 3 seconds.
False.
You were well informed. Correct.
Thank
The
you.
answer is false because
Aloha.
Miriam Kimbao from the Philippines was the first runner-up. So may 1 point ka na so far. Alright, so meron pa tayong apat na question. So, yan na. So let's go to our next question. Miss USA placed in the top 10 during Miss Universe 1999. Go!
Jason.
Okay, you have 3 seconds.
So false.
You were well informed, correct. Miss USA did not make the top 10 in Miss Universe 1999. So you have 2 points na, Geisa. All right.
Oh, kinakabahan ako.
Kaya mo to, kay RJ, habol.
Kailangan go. May wildcard pa naman.
Walang ganon.
Meron pa tayong 3 questions sa round na to. Okay. The winner of Miss Universe 2000 was Miss Venezuela. Go!
RJ.
Jason.
Okay, RJ, you have 3 seconds.
Oh, ba't ganon?
You're correct. You were well informed. The correct answer is false. Miss Universe 2000 was Miss India's Lara Dutta. You earned 1 point. Yay! All right, let's move on to the next question. Ako natiteds. All right. Miss Colombia made the top 5 in Miss Universe 2000. Go!
Jason.
Okay, Gaisel, you have 3 seconds.
False.
You were well informed, correct. Miss Colombia's Catalina Acosta only finished in the top 10. So you got 1 point. So far, let's do a recap. Gaisel, you have 3 points.
Bono ko. Ba't ganon?
Mananalo ka, Gaisel.
Nakakaloka. Baka hindi ko kaya. Parang feeling ko nasa extemporaneous speech ako. Nakakaloka. Parang pinigisa.
RJ, you have 1 point. Okay, so ito na yung final question sa round na to. Miss Spain was the second runner-up in Miss Universe 2000. Go!
RJ.
Jason.
RJ, you have 3 seconds.
Oh my gosh. Hula lang. False.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. You were misinformed. The correct answer is true. True. Helen Lindes from Spain was the second runner-up.
Sunod silang nag-second runner-up, 1999 at saka 2000.
Alright, so...
elementary pa ako nun.
Ang bilis mo lang talaga magsalita ng RJ. Charot lang. Hindi, ang haba ng name ko, nakakaloka.
Basta
Sisingin ko may magulang.
beyond ng gano'n, maliligwak talaga ako ganung dates.
Kakalo. Recap, Gaisel earned 3 points around na to, while RJ earned 1 point. So, meron pa tayong 2 rounds. So, pwedeng humabol, RJ. And okay, so in this round, round number 2, I'll read a famous quote or excerpt from a Beauty Queen's pageant answer. Contestants must identify which candidate said it. Each question comes with multiple choice options, and a correct answer earns you a point. If you win Misinformation 2025, kanino nyo i-donate yung prize money? Ikikip nyo ba to sa sarili nyo, or meron ba kayong piniling charity? Because aside from the crown and sash, the winner will also receive cash prize sponsored by Miss Christina Poschner of Germany and my sister Daniela Alejandro Lee. So mauna ka, RJ.
Ayun, actually every Christmas kasi nagkakaroon ako ng umiikot ako around Pasig, Mandaluyong, namimigay ako ng Jollibee. So just in case manalo tayo, baka groceries na. Ayun. For Christmas.
That's beautiful. Ikaw naman, Gaisol.
Yes, ako naman ay may tinutulong ako mga barangay health workers na medyo 500 lang kasi a month yung kanilang sinasahod sa barangay. So gusto kong at least man lang mga grocery. Pero kung halimbawa manalo or matalo ako ngayon, yung makukuha ko ay pansamantala lang ay ibigay ko muna sa grocery doon sa may cerebral palsy na bata na tinulungan na rin ni Arpe na subscriber natin, na tinulungan niya bonggang-bongga ng bilhan ng wheelchair. So magdagdag ako doon kasi parang may ambag naman ako. Ganon.
Nice. Ang ganda naman. Sana talaga manalo kayo all the way. Alright, so
Primo ano ba? Kami lang to.
so ito, sasabihin ko yung quote, and then pagkasabi ko ng quote, meron kayong choices na names. And then pagsabi ko ng go, pwede nyo nang sabihin yung name nyo. Kung hindi nyo nasagot ng tama, may chance yung kalaban nyo na mag-steal. So let's begin. Who said it? Question number 1. It would definitely be agriculture. Where I come from, we're very big in sustainable agriculture. Letter A, Yasmina Zayton. Letter B, Lesego Chombo. Letter C, Aish Abrams. And letter D, Catriona Gray. Go.
Gaisel!
Alright, Gaisel, you have 3 seconds.
Letter B.
Letter B, Lesotho Chombo from Botswana is correct. You were well informed.
Yes! Perfect!
This was asked during Miss World last year, 2024.
Yes!
Galing ni Gaisel.
So by 4 points ka na, Gaisel. Congratulations. All right, so let's move on to the next question. Well, I think the biggest pressure the youth of today is facing is to believe in themselves. To know that you are unique, that's what makes you beautiful. Again, well, I think the biggest pressure the youth of today is facing is to believe in themselves. To know that you are unique, that's what makes you beautiful. Letter A, Minorca Mercado. Letter B, Miriam Kiambao. Letter C, Harnas Sandu. Letter D, Nadia Ferreira. Go.
Gaisel!
All right, you have 3 seconds, Queso.
Sino nga to? Si India? Si Harna Shandu? Tama
You,
ba ako?
you were well informed, correct. Harnas Sandu from India, and she won some Miss Universe 2021. So far you have 5 points.
Ikaw na Gaisel, hindi ka na makahabol yan.
Give na
Go.
give.
Give na give, go.
Grabe, Gaisal.
May wildcard pa naman.
Ako nga, hindi ko rin alam to mga to.
Ako hindi ko rin alam.
Yeah,
Hindi ko rin talaga alam.
Kasi parang memorize ko kasi yung Q&A yung 2021 kasi alam nyo namang favorite ko si Beatrice Luigi Gomez. So yung mga pinaulit-ulit kasi sa TV station yung mga Q&A ng girls na yun kung sino ba talaga nakasagot ng tama ayon doon sa question. So, hindi naman nakasagot ng bonggang-bongga si India, pero rin yun yung sagot niya.
Oh my God. Grabe. Alright, so ito na ang last question natin sa round na to. Okay. Earlier, I mentioned that I'm from a nation of immigrants. However, the first people of my country, indigenous people, said we don't inherit the world from our ancestors. Rather, we borrow it from our children. Again, earlier, I mentioned that I'm from a nation of immigrants. However, the first people of my country, indigenous people, said we don't inherit the world from our ancestors. Rather, we borrow it from our children. Letter A, Bea Milan Windorsky. Letter B, Jessica Lane. Letter C, Ileana Aduana. Letter D, Lindsay Marie Coffey. Go!
Gazel!
Gazel.
Parang,
Alright. Dapat RJ sinabi.
Hindi
Okay,
ka Gazel
Gazel.
talaga sinabi ko.
Lindsay Coffee. Tama ba ako?
Okay,
Nakakaloka.
Gazel, I'm sorry you were
Oh my God!
misinformed.
Oh,
Hindi ako mag-steal.
Okay.
Sino ba yun?
Again, isasabihin ko yung choices, RJ. A, Bea Milan Windorsky. Letter B, Jessica Lane. Letter C, Ileana Aduana.
Letter A.
Letter A,
Wala.
Bea Milan Windorsky from USA is the correct answer. You were well informed.
Oo
Congratulations.
na!
You have 2 points na.
Hindi ko rin alam yan. Hinula ako.
kasi iniisip ko about refugees. Hindi naman siya refugees, di ba? Pilipina, Ano ba? Ba't ganon? Ano ba? Charot lang. Joke lang.
Pero at least parehas sa USA. You, si Lindsay Marie.
Yeah, pare sa USA.
Ang galing ni Gazel. Go.
Ayan. So far, Gazel has 5 points. RJ has 2 points. So, let's say si RJ ang lahat nakuha mo tong 3 questions sa round 3. Magiging
May
tie kayo.
tiebreaker?
May tiebreaker. So,
Nakakaloka.
Gazel ka sumagot ha.
before we start yung round 3 natin, kamusta naman yung experience niyo so far?
Ako ba?
Ayan.
Ako
Sige, go,
muna,
Gazel.
nakakaloka. Ayun yung parang hinahalo kay Ube yung ano ko, yung damdamin ko sa sobrang kaba. Akala ko naman, si RJ lang to be. Kaibigan mo siya, oh. Parang ganon. Parang, ano ba naman to, primo? Parang naman, maganda, exciting, ang saya. Pero meron din na mixed emotion na kinakabahan ka kasi gusto mong manalo. Wow, feeling, panalo-panalo talaga yung feeling. Nakakaloka.
RJ, kamusta naman yung experience mo so far? And pwede pa namang, like I said, kung hindi kayo ang pinalad this week, babalik kayo for wildcard. Kamusta
Actually, I'm
so
hoping
far?
for the wild card. Ayun, kasi di ko talaga siya forte, di ba? More on analysis talaga tayo. Pero ayun, nakakatuwa kasi aside sa, ayun, nai-inform din ako like, ganito pala yung nangyari noon. Ito pala yung sinabi niya. So, nagkakaroon din ako ng knowledge talaga. Kahit sabihin natin hindi tayo manalo, at least meron tayong takeaway na knowledge.
Yes.
And congratulations, Gazel.
Grabe, hindi pa nga nanalo.
Very
So na
well
yan, hindi na ako
said.
makahabol yan.
Ayan, so in this round, it's called Trivia Mix. Contestants will answer 3 multiple choice trivia questions about international pageantry. It's called a mix because the questions can be about pageant designers, judges, winners, runners-up, hosts, and more. So if you're ready, let's begin our round 3. Question number 1. Which of the following personalities was part of the selection committee for Miss Universe 2000? Again, which of the following personalities was part of the selection
Wala
committee
na ako dyan.
for Miss Universe 2000? Letter A, Dayanara Torres. Letter B, Kim Alexis. Letter C, Leia Salonga. D, Naomi Campbell. Go.
Gazel.
All right, Gazel, you have 3 seconds.
Letter D. Tama ba?
Naomi Campbell, I'm sorry, that's incorrect. You were misinformed. Okay, so
Oh my God, RJ,
RJ,
wag mong sagutin ng tama.
Hindi ko rin alam.
RJ,
Mahuhula
pwede
lang
kang
ako, don't worry.
mag-guess. Again, the choices are A. Dayanara Torres, B. Kim Alexis, or C. Lea Salonga.
Letter C.
Lea Salonga, I'm sorry, you were
Letter B.
misinformed.
Letter B po yung answer.
Letter B?
Letter B yung answer.
The
Kasi
correct answer
si Dayanara, si Dayanara nag-judge nung 2001, hindi 2000. Naisip ko kasi hindi siya judge. Tapos si Lea Salonga, twice siyang nag-judge pero hindi
Oo nga,
ganung
twice nga eh. Yung isa,
ganung
20
year. So number
2011.
B at saka B, hindi ko sila kilala. I'm so
Letter
sorry,
B.
pero choice ko D.
The correct answer. Well, parehas naman kayo na pa-imbornal dito. Pero
Ako
ang
na
correct,
talaga ako. Basta mga 2000, 99, naku, ligwak
mga
na talaga
bata
ako
pa tayo
dyan.
doon. Yeah. Pero ang tamang sagot ay correct. Tama, Gaisel, yung sinabi mo. Letter B, Kim Alexis. She's a top fashion model and icon in the 2000s.
Yeah.
And she was a
Hindi ko lang
judge
matandaan.
on Miss Universe 2000 held in Cyprus. Bongga. Ayan na. So
Hirap
round question number 2. Which country
Now we know.
placed first runner-up in Miss International 1988? Again, which country placed
Oh
first
my
runner-up
Hindi ko alam.
in Miss International 1988? Letter A, Norway. B, Philippines. C, Japan. D, United States of America. Go.
Game cell.
Hazel, you have 3 seconds.
Colombia. Kasi si Norway yung nun eh.
Hindi kasali ang Colombia sa choices.
Ay, letter D ba yon? Ano ba yung sinabi mo yung huli? Kasi si Norway kasi nanalo yung first runner-up, sabi mo. Sino yun? Basta hindi si Philippines.
I'm sorry, you were misinformed. So
Yan!
ito,
Sa'yo na yung
RJ.
RJ. Alam mo na, nagsalita na ako.
May chance ka mag-steal. So these are your choices, RJ. A, Norway. B, Philippines. C, Japan. D, United States of America. Go.
Sino ba? Letter Japan?
I'm sorry, you were misinformed. The correct answer
Letter D.
is...
Akala ko talaga promise si Norway. Alam ko nanalo si Norway noong 1988. Si Catherine Jute. Jute ba yun? Kakaloka.
Wala pa ako dyan.
Ay, kakaloka talaga.
Wala pa ako sa Earth.
Natakanta ako, be. Si Catherine Jude ba yun? Oh, good. Yung nanalo sa Miss Norway. Siya yung nanalo Miss International noong 1988. Alam ko hindi si Norway, hindi rin si Philippines. Kaya alam ko yung huling binanggit ni Primo, Colombia, sino yun? Nakaloka.
Ako di pa
ka.
pinapangalan niya, so I don't have any idea. Kailangan talaga ma-research.
Your correct answer is United States of America. Dana Michelle Richmond of the United States placed first runner-up in Miss International 1988, while Catherine Good of Norway
Oh, good. Ayun. Siya yung nanalo. Alam ko, kilala ko pag bumukha niya eh. Nandito pa sa balintataw ko. Charot lang. Ano imaw?
Ito. Mukhang may nanalo naman na, pero let's just sa last
Go!
question, for fun lang naman.
Pero competitive pa rin ako. Charot!
This is our last question, and a recap. Gaisel, you have 5 points. RJ, you have 2 points. So let's start our last question now. Who hosted the 45th edition of Miss World held in Sun City, South Africa? Who hosted the 45th edition of Miss World held in Sun City, South Africa? Letter A, Pierce Brosnan. B, Vanessa Williams. C, Richard Steinmetz. D, Ruby Batia. Go.
Gaysel.
Gaysel.
Sagutin mo yan, Gaysel.
Si Vanessa Williams.
I'm sorry you were misinformed. Correct answer. RJ, meron ka bang hula?
Hula? Letter hula?
1995? Pero ang alam ko nanalo noong 1995 sa Miss World, si Venezuela yung nanalo niyon, si Jacqueline Aguilera. Oh, di ba? Nakakaloka.
Wait,
Pero hindi ko alam yung host.
Ano, letter A? Sabi mo?
Misinformed. Hindi ko alam kung sino talaga.
You were misinformed.
Basta alam ko, yung Miss World 1995, tama ba yun? Eh, si Venezuela nanalo noon, si Jacqueline Aguilera. Isa yun sa pinakamagandang Miss World.
Ang galing. Grabe ka.
Bote ni Gaisel dyan eh.
Gaisel, grabe ka. Nakakaloka ka. Okay, so
Siyempre,
with that,
yung mga time na yan, primo kasi, yung mga time na yan, nababaliw ako sa beauty pageant kasi nga idol ko si Charlene Gonzalez 1994 eh, so fresh na first out. Lahat ng mga beauty pageants sinesearch ko dati. Kaya ayun, nanalo Miss World, Vanessa Aguilera. Jacqueline Aguilera ng Venezuela. Ano ba? Nakakainis naman yung tanong, ang hirap.
Oo, hirap. Yung kailangan ko na ganun, dali lang eh.
mahirap nga talaga. Pero with that, congratulations, Gaisel Ortega. You're the best information
Yeah!
of the week.
May pagbili na ako ng meatloaf doon sa bata.
And RJ, ikaw naman
Ayan.
ay babalik sa wildcard round.
Wildcard, ayan.
Para
Mag-review na
lahat
tayo
ng
sa
mga,
wildcard.
mga hindi na napalad sa weekly ay babalik para lumaban sa weekly round. So, yan po. Oh my gosh. Congratulations again, Gaisel, our new misinformation of the week.
Thank you. Gusto ko mag-live. Charot lang.
Babalik ka sa semifinals.
Spell that thing. Charot lang.
RJ, pwede ka pa mag-review kasi medyo matagal pa yung semifinals.
Actually,
Game.
Di kailangan ng tip.
Actually, kahit nag-review pala ako, hindi pa rin matatamaan. Yung mga tanong. Oo, kasi kahit ako nag-review ko, parang hindi ko rin siya masasagot.
Oo, mahirap nga.
Kailangan talaga nandun ka, na-experience mo. Napanood mo talaga, like may mga host na questions, di ba? Hirap talaga. So kahit nag-review, wala eh.
Siguro may yung mo dito sa ulo, guys.
May ano yan.
Antenna,
Hindi,
may
magaling
wifi.
talaga si Geisa sa mga trivia.
Si Avatar ang yan.
Magaling talaga si Geisa sa trivia.
Grabe. Ayan.
Kung about trivia kasi, halos memorize ko kasi yung
Forte
yung Miss
ni Geisel
Universe
ang
winner,
trivia.
Miss World, Miss International,
Miss Earth.
Miss Grand, Miss Earth. Lalong-lalo na yung Miss Earth, kahit na gulatin pa ako, kilalang ko yung mga pangalan ng mga beauty queen na nananalo. Mga ganon. Kahit yung na dethrone, mga ganon. Miss Grand, Miss Supranational, medyo kilala ko sila. So, madadali lang. Sa trivia lang talaga ako magaling. Pero sa mga host na yan, kung sino nagsabi, medyo alanganin din ako.
Yun ang weakness mo, yung mga host. Pero yan nga.
Oo. Yun pala,
Again.
tingnan ko nga yung mga host. Charot lang. Kilita
Congratulations.
kasi ako sa mga host eh. Charot lang.
And that's it, mga Conteseras. Again, thank you so much, RJ and Gaisel.
Thank you.
Congratulations to our new misinformation of the week, Gaisel Ortega. You will be back in the semifinals for a chance to prove.
Nako si Sir Andy makakalaban ko, ang saya-saya.
Ikaw
Once
mananalo,
again.
Geisa, promise.
That knowledge is the true crown. Until next time,
Yeah.
keep your facts fabulous and trivia true. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.